It's right here. See my finger moving it? This is the old gasket we're going to be removing. Look like it's not going to be difficult to do. I just need to bring the headers back a little more away from the bolt and slide the new one in and take care of that. This is the right side of the motor. The left side, same thing. So stand by. Let's get a look at the left side of the motor. This is almost ready to be taken care of. Okay, we're on the left side of the motor. I just left the right side, and on this side here's my new one. I'm going to replace it with. Basically, I need to just slide it, header gasket rather, then I'm removing, replacing it with this new one right here. Making progress, moving right